Good evening, friends. As per the yesterday's commitment, we are shooting on the next video today. We are going to discuss about why digital marketing. That's the main important. Whenever we do something, we need to know why. Why is the important question. So when you start a business, what we do is, basically we will not just start a business and keep quiet, right? We either engage a marketing executive, or if it is a solopreneur, then we reach out. We first find out what is our services or products and who are our targeted customers, or whom should we reach out with these products, and we try to connect with them. Either we do a calling, or earlier the systems were like we make cold calls, we visit the customer, or we try with finding the right person, and then trying to get the contact of those persons, and then meeting them, fixing up a meeting with them. Or basically we also do a lot of cold visits or cold calls or network to somebody, and then we do that. That's the normal procedure when we start a business. So why digital marketing? So digital marketing is nothing new. So basically, you always do marketing for your business. Whenever we start a business, a product or services, we want to reach to the audience whom we look at the target audience, and we normally reach them. So digital marketing is nothing new, but only thing is the platform is different, where we reach them through the digital medium. And the basic is like this is like an inbound marketing system, where you put out your product or your services or whatever it is to the larger audience through the whatever is the mediums available, and then try them to come back to you, either by giving the details of them, or their interest, or whatever it is, or engaging with us, or engage them through constant some of the contents, and then make them to come to us, and then we pitch in our products. So digital marketing is nothing new. So why digital marketing? Yes, digital marketing is required unto this age, because today it is internet is what is ruling the world, and a lot of people engage or on the internet, and the internet, even the Facebook is used for kind of searching for some products or services. You could have seen a lot of posts saying for looking for recommendations, like I need this, I need that, can somebody recommend? Because people look at recommendations and get some choices of details before going on, or they also search. The Google search is the important search what they do, and search for some services, products, and all these things. So it is very, very imperative and important for any business, any business, to be on the internet and do some activities on the internet. So that is what we call it as digital marketing. It is nothing new and nothing very gray, what we can say is rocket science or something, but it's basically a medium of marketing which we were earlier doing through our cold calling, contacting the prospects and all these things. But now it is we reaching out to them through the larger audience systems which are available, the whatever is the available mediums, like social medias, or the YouTube channels, or the blog posts, or your Google searches. Google My Business is one more very, very interesting and imperative system, where you can list your business without any cost on that, and you can put out your post and all these things, which will help people when they search that your listings can be there. So Google listings is other thing. So these are some of the important things, like why digital marketing. Yes, digital marketing is nothing new, and it is very important to be on the internet today, because of the evolving system. And post pandemic also, people were more on the systems, and they were searching for a lot of requirements. Their requirements, everything is on the internet now. So we need to be on that medium also to reach our larger audience and to take our business to the next level. So that is why digital marketing is required. So digital marketing is, as I told yesterday, it is like your audio, we can say an amplified messaging system, where you amplify your reach to the targeted customers basically, or the corporate client who would like to consume your services or products, and you put yourself on there and they come back to you. It's called inbound marketing. So they come back to you, like more than earlier we were doing outbound marketings, like we call them, we speak to them. Yes, we do that also here, but still they come back to you with their interest. Yes, I would like to know more or something like that, and then you send them the other things. So after that the sales process happens. But before understanding the sales process or whatever it is imperatively told, or it is important that we need to understand one thing: people do business when they trust you, not for your product, not for your services, but they do business when they trust you. So digital marketing helps you to build that trust. So we'll be knowing about all those things in the later stages of our video, where we'll understand how to build trust, how to develop those contacts and other things. But the basic is, why digital marketing? Yes, digital marketing is important because we have been doing marketing and we are just changing the way how the marketing is done by digital marketing. And this internet era today, we will have to be on the internet basically to reach our customers where they are. It is like reaching your customers where they are.